Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you where to sell ebooks for free. In fact, I'll be showing you 4 different platforms that you can start selling your ebook online for completely free. But with each platform, there are different advantages and disadvantages. So in this tutorial, I'll be going over all of the features of the 4 different platforms. For example, with Google Sites, you will go onto googlesites.com and you'll be able to create a website for completely free. On this website, with the steps that I'm about to show you, you'll be able to upload and sell your ebook. The platform that you would need to use as the payment option would be Stripe. So all you'll need to do, if you don't have a Stripe account already, you're going to create one. The other platform that I would recommend, I'm going to come back to this example and show you how to create and add your product, but I'm just going to show you the other 3 platforms so you can see that if they better suit you. For example, the other platform that I would recommend is Gumroad. With Gumroad, you can sign up for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. But you will be charged a 10% flat rate. So that means that, for example, if you sell your ebook for $10, they will be taking $1 for each transaction. So that is the catch with Gumroad. But with Gumroad, you don't need to create a website or anything like that. All you'll need to do once on Gumroad, you'll simply tap on products from the left-hand menu option. Then you can tap on new product. And from here, you can add in your ebook name. And then you'll select ebook, and from there you'll be able to add the price and you'll be able to upload and start selling your ebook, as you'll be provided with a custom domain name that you can share and start making some money online. The other platform that I would recommend that you give a try is Payhip. And with Payhip, it is similar to Gumroad, as it is beginner friendly and easy to use, and you can also use it for completely free. The only pullback is they charge a 5% transaction fee, as you can see right here. So that means that if you were to make, for example, $1 or $10 better yet, they'll take excuse me, they'll take 5% of that $10. So once you make money, they'll take a commission. But with it, you'll be able to upload unlimited products and so on. Another platform that you can also use is Beacons AI. With Beacons AI, you'll be able to upload your ebook and any other form of digital product or physical product that you're planning to sell. And you'll be able to use their platform free forever, as you can see right here. And as I said earlier, you can sell unlimited digital products. The only pullback is they take a 9% transaction fee. So with Beacons AI, the percentage rate is 9, and when it comes onto Payhip, they'll take a 5% transaction fee, and with Gumroad, they'll take a 10% transaction fee. But with the first option that I was showing you with Google Sites, you don't have to pay any transaction fee. The only thing is you'll need to do a bit more work. So for example, we can select blank site right here once on Google Site. From here, you could customize the site title. So for example, I'm just going to be typing in test ebook. After doing that, you could add any form of customization real quick, but I don't want to draw out the tutorial, as I've done numerous videos showing you how to customize this and so on. So once you have done that, you would go onto Stripe. Remember that I said that you would need to create a Stripe account. From here, you're going to tap on payments from the top left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on create payment in the top right hand corner. And I want you to select right where you see payment link. After selecting payment link, you want to ensure that the selected type is products or subscription. And you are going to select payment page. After selecting payment page, from here you are going to tap on the search bar and you are going to tap on add new product. And you can enter your ebook name. You can add a description if you want. You can add the price that you are planning to sell your ebook for, and you are going to add the ebook cover right here. After you have done that, you're going to tap on add product. So for example, I've uploaded a product before, so I'm just going to select it right here. and you can see the product, so you can see the ebook cover and so on. So this is a preview of how it looks, as you can see right here. Now, after you have added your product and your price, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to select after payment. After selecting this, you're going to tap on replace default with custom message. And after doing that, all you'll need to do is you can type up a quick message. For example, thank you for your purchase. So you can do that real quick. Thank you for your purchase. Then you can type in, here's the link for the ebook, just for example's sake. After typing that up, all you'll need to do now is open a new tab, and you are going to go onto Google Drive. Once on Google Drive, you'll go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select new. Then you're going to tap on File Upload. After selecting File Upload, you're going to simply select your ebook manuscript or the ebook pages right there. After you have done that, you will see that it has uploaded. For example, let's say this one right here. Now, after it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on the three dots, then you're going to hover over share, and you're going to tap on share. After you have tapped on share, you want to ensure that it is set at anyone with the link only as viewer, as all they'll need to do is be the viewer. You don't want to give them access to edit it. So you're going to select viewer, as you can see right there. Then you're going to tap on copy link. Now that you have copied the link, you're going to go back into Stripe and you're going to paste the link right here. After you have pasted the link right there, for example, so now once someone completes their purchase, they'll see the after payment page. And on the after payment page, they'll be provided with the link that they can use. You could also use a link shortener to create a better looking link right here that will look more professional. And that's basically it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on create link in the top right hand corner. Page, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap right where you see buy button. So you're going to tap on the buy button. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on copy code. Once you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Google Sites. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you have a few options. For example, we could tap on embed from the right hand menu option, and you could tap on embed code and you could paste in the code right here. And you can tap on next. Then you'll see a preview of how it looks, and you can tap on insert. So you can see it right there. Also, you could create a sole page for your ebook, but this is how it looks. And from here, you could add content around it. So for example, you could add a content block, so you can do that, or you could add text or so on. And that's basically it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish, and you'll be provided with a free URL that you can share, and persons can go onto your site and make a purchase. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.